Tuke mokwongo mag Sunshine Golf Development Tour no dhi nyime odiechieng' kawuono. Tuke go madhi kaunti ang'wen okelo kanyakla jotugo 36 manigi lony kod jopuonjre 24. Jotugo ma oyuoro e tuke go wuok e pinje mag Afrika ma Ugwe kendo gitimore Great Rift Valley Golf Resort e boma ma Naivasha. Jakom matayo tuke ma kamago Charles Gasheru owacho ni tuke go dhi yawo thuolo ne jotugo mag Afrika ma Ugwe yudo huma e kind pinje mag Afrika. Ma tugo mokwongo e pinje Afrika ma Ugwe ma idhi ti godo e miyo jotugo rang'iny e Afrika.
We want to focus on East Africa, Kenya primarily, and then Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, and Burundi, to give not only our professionals, but also our elite amateurs and the juniors coming through an opportunity to participate, to play, to earn some money, to learn something new. Because over and above the prize money, over and above the ability to compete, they are the pathways to the world. This is the first professional tour in East Africa that will give official world golf ranking points.
Tunafurahi kwanza kufika huko Kenya kushiriki na wenzetu mchezo. Uwanja uko safi sana, condition safi sana, kila kitu naona kiko sawa. Ni jinsi ulivyojiandaa na mazoezi zaidi, kwa sababu unakutana na wachezaji ambao ni wa nchi tofauti. So lazima uwe fit kwenye mazoezi uweze kucheza kwa competitive na wenzako. Haya mashindano yananifanya ni unavyocheza na mtu ambaye ni mchezaji mzuri zaidi, lazima ufanye mazoezi uweze ku compete naye, lakini otherwise bila mazoezi